Last October, I made my way to Mansfield, Massachusetts, a popular railfanning destination because it's home to the Northeast Corridor. Amtrak Regional and Acela service go through here at top speeds. Not only Amtrak, you're able to see the MBTA Commuter Rail service and CSX local service heading on the Northeast Corridor. The Mansfield MBTA Commuter Rail station is one of the busiest, matter of fact, the third busiest amongst all the stations in the MBTA Commuter Rail system. This station serves the Providence Stoughton line. The earliest train depot that was built in Mansfield was in 1835. This station would serve the Taunton branch, which is the line curving over to the left, and then the line heading straight would serve the Boston Providence Railroad. In some years later, the main line would become under the control of the New York, New Haven, and Hartford Railroad. As for the Taunton branch, the 9-mile stretch from Mansfield to Taunton, Massachusetts would later become abandoned. Today, only 1.5 miles of the 9-mile branch is still active. A good portion of the line is actually used as a bike trail, running from downtown Mansfield down to the Mansfield Municipal Airport. Along with passenger service, Mansfield served as a hub for freight service as well. I was able to discover doing research for this video that there was even a roundhouse located here in Mansfield. One of the users of the railroads was the Lowney chocolate factory, located at 150 Oakland Street in Mansfield. This chocolate factory was built on a 14-acre lot right by what's known today as the Northeast Corridor. For 108 years, they produced chocolates and candies. The Mansfield MBTA station is a part of the Providence Stoughton line. The MBTA runs along the Northeast Corridor up to 62 miles from Boston South Station down to Wickford Junction. The MBTA has 20 daily round trips during the week from Boston to Providence. Amtrak can be seen passing the Mansfield station upwards to speeds of 150 miles per hour.
Approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
That's mainline, the CNSE Mond, over. T27, okay to go.